If you don't know, just container. Okay, and then
Alcohol swab.
alcohol swab. So you need three, at least three. And this is what?
Urine.
Urine bag or the catheterization bag. Okay, and now we are doing the draining. If you see the urine is until like 1.5, yeah, so you have to drain the urine. If you see also 1,000, you can drain because if full, maybe sometimes leaking. So make sure if you see it is 1,000, 1.5, you have to drain the urine. Okay? Okay, start. First, wipe first this blue side of the urine bag. And then push to open.
Open na?
Open. Okay, the urine is out already, right? And then close. You have to clean that first. You have to clean this first to avoid any bacteria goes inside. And then close. And then clean again the tip of the urine bag to avoid any bacteria.
One round. Not like
Not repeated, just one round, then throw. Okay? Do not clean inside. Because sometimes they're cleaning inside. Every time return the cleaning, so the bacteria return again. So only once throw. Do not clean inside.